In the previous video, we studied some key facts about Amazon RDS. In this video, we shall see, especially from Oracle side. So what exactly is Amazon RDS for Oracle? So Amazon RDS for Oracle actually covers two licensing models. One is BYOL and other is license included. What exactly is BYOL? BYOL stands for bring your own license. So bring your own license means, let's say if you're already having Oracle licenses, then you can leverage those licenses in the cloud by making use of those licenses in the Amazon AWS. And the second model is license included. If you are one of the companies which doesn't have the Oracle license or Oracle database license, then you can go for the license included option. So as you can make out, you will be paying lesser amount for BYOL because you've already paid for your Oracle database licenses. But in case of license included, you would be paying more as compared to BYOL. Not all the versions that are actually released by Oracle or are available in the Oracle Cloud are actually available in Amazon RDS. So please keep this thing in mind. The versions that are available are Oracle 11G, 11.204 and 12C, 12.102 and 12.201. And 12.201 was actually recently released for RDS for Oracle. Okay, you don't have much choice in terms of parameters. So based on the instance class and the storage capacity that you actually select, a lot of your parameters are pre-configured, and Amazon says that you shouldn't be really changing those parameters because those parameters have been designed as per your instance class and storage capacity. And that's the recommendation, that you should be using the parameters, the pre-configured parameters. So like in the world of Oracle databases, we have an OEM, Oracle Enterprise Manager monitoring tool. Amazon provides Amazon CloudWatch. And CloudWatch is actually a database monitoring tool which helps you to display all the different metrics for different resources and different services that are running. And you can also create alarms for these metrics and actually send notifications. Okay. A lot of your backups which you would have actually done or say manually created scripts in the olden days, say Amen backups, or you would have created shell scripts. Now all these backups are automated backups, so you really don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just click a button when you are creating your provisioning your database, and it automatically starts taking your backups. And these are like full daily snapshots, and then the redo logs are also captured as per this, which helps you to do point-in-time recovery as well. The second type of backup, which is kind of a manual backup, is called a database snapshot, and we also call it a user-initiated backup. So any DB or admin can initiate the database backup, which is called a database snapshot. As in the cloud world or in EC2 we saw, you can easily scale your compute and memory resources. Compute means you can always increase your CPU cores, and memory resources means that you can actually resize your RAM requirements as well. Okay, ADS provides multi-AZ deployments. Multi-AZ deployments means that you can actually create your RDS database in multiple availability zones. So you could have a primary database in say AZ, say US West 2A, and a standby in US West 2B. Please keep in mind that when I talk about primary and standby, it doesn't use the data guard technology. There's a different kind of technology which is provided by Amazon, which is used in the multi-AZ deployments. Okay, you can always create an RDS in a specific VPC, and we will actually see this. You might remember the architecture diagram that we did in the beginning. So as part of the demos, I'll actually show you that we will actually create our RDS instance or RDS service inside our VPC, the VPC demo that we created. Okay, Amazon RDS does support encryption, and all the cloud vendors. As you guys know, there's a war going on between different cloud vendors. So every cloud vendor really needs to support encryption because security is the utmost importance for any cloud, I would say. So yes, Amazon RDS supports TDE, which is the transparent data encryption, which is actually provided by Oracle. It supports these editions. These are standard edition 1, standard edition 2, standard edition, and enterprise edition. So you might have heard about standard edition and enterprise edition, but there are two more editions, which are standard edition 1 and 2. One point which Oracle Cloud differentiates from Oracle RDS is that Oracle RAC is not supported on Amazon RDS. So you can't support Oracle RAC on RDS. And yes, as we discussed previously, a lot of your time consuming, a lot of your mundane database administration tasks which you would be doing on your day-to-day world would actually be managed by RDS. So you don't have to be really bothered about how you would provision your databases. A lot of things are actually automated. How you would create what kind of parameters you want to keep, so what kind of backup strategy you need to take. Lot of these tasks are actually automated, and these are actually managed by RDS itself. Okay, so folks, this figure actually summarizes the Amazon RDS for Oracle for you, and clearly shows what are the things that are in your control. So the only thing that is actually now left in your control is this bit, which is the app optimization. So all the cloud vendors really want the DBAs and admins to spend their time not doing the mundane database administration tasks, but to focus their time towards optimizing their application, or work with the end user or the end client and work on making your applications more performant, I would say. And from here you can see this whole portion actually is now AWS managed. And if you look at this bit, the lower portion is actually what your sysadmins and network administrators would have been doing, like powering up or setting up the rack, then hardware lifecycle management, server maintenance, OS installation, OS patching. Then from here onwards, your DBA would have been involved, wherein your software would be installed, your database patching would be done, database backup scripts are written, you do backups. Then high availability, you would set up data guard, or you would actually then do some kind of scaling work for or upscale your environments. But in case of Amazon RDS for Oracle, all these things, the entire yellow portion is actually managed by AWS. So you're just left with this app optimization. Thanks for watching.